the Jersey and Northern Railroad. This layout tour will show you the entire railroad, which is something I've been working on over the last few months to get ready for an operating session. One of the first improvements was we have replaced the old wooden engine house with a metal building here in Franklin. The engine fueling facility has been reconstructed. Franklin Yard is a fairly busy place, whereas we have the interchange with the Susquehanna. We have one of our larger industries, North Jersey Freight Forwarding. As we continue west to downtown Franklin, here at State Road 15 and High Street, we've installed a traffic signal. Pizza Land is now open in downtown Franklin. They see a lot of business from the engine crews. Here we have the Susquehanna interchange, two-track interchange. Proceeding down the Ogdensburg Sparta branch. This has been totally reconstructed. The tunnel, which was at this location, has been removed, replaced with a large retaining wall. Scenery has been totally redone. We have relocated Sparta LP slightly to the east, and we've installed a complete stretch built offloading platform. That relocation provided space to put Sparta Fire Company number 2. The reconstruction was mainly due to the improvements for the main line. The main line was totally removed and reconstructed. We now have a full 24-inch radius. This was previously about 21 inches, which provided some issues with larger engines. Due to the reconstruction, the North Church Station has been relocated slightly east of its old location. The old location is now the site of a defect detector, which we see here. Continuing westbound, we enter Beaver Run, which is the location of Wallkill Valley Feed and Grain, and the east end of the Libertyville passing siding. We cross the Wallkill River here, entering Libertyville. Libertyville provides some complex switching moves, as we have both facing and trailing point movements. We have Sussex Food Distributors, Bar Lumber, and Ackerman Bird Industries, which we have the concrete plant, and sand and gravel. Ackerman Bird Industries is switched by the ABI switcher, a little 45-ton GE. The main line continues westbound here into a tunnel, which is also the entrance to the Hanford branch, which is an interchange inside the helix. As we come around the 4 turns of the helix, we exit here on the upper level into downtown Colesville. Here in Colesville we have Sussex, Bulk Transfer Systems, which is a model based on Sparta bulk systems on the Susquehanna. They contacted the Susquehanna and they provided me numerous photos from which I scaled off of to build this. This will soon be finished. Here we also have the fuel oil distributor. The the U.S. Kirkpatrick TIA Electric, aircraft parts, and aircraft galley systems. And we have Parts Unlimited, an auto and truck parts distributor. This provides a lot of switching movements here. As we continue westbound towards Port Jervis, we pass under River Road. Here we see the Conrail interchange, 2-track, which is behind the main line crossing the Delaware River. Here we have the main line crossing on the 2-track bridge, and behind it is the single-track Conrail bridge. Here on the Delaware River we have Winterdale Bird Bait and Tackle. As we continue westbound towards Port Jervis, we go under Interstate 84. You have to watch out for the speed trap. Coming around the main line into Port Jervis, we pass Tri-State Scrap Metal. There's some backdrop buildings here. This is the area which still has to be completed for scenery. As we have the president of the railroad's house. Coming into Port Jervis Yard, this is where the engine facility will be. Wilson Plumbing and Heating has been relocated to this point on Port Jervis and has been expanded. This allowed for the installation of additional track here for Port Jervis Fabricating, which will be the largest industry on the railroad. Port Jervis Fabricating now has 3 separate tracks to serve it, with a capacity of 6 cars. Port Jervis Fabricating will take up this entire area here to the end of the yard, where we have the tank car offloading facility, which was the old location of Wilson Plumbing and Heating. Here we have a shot of Port Jervis Yard. And an overall view of the layout. Hope you've enjoyed the brief tour of the Jersey Thorn Railroad. I hope to be doing updates as I progress and posting a video of the next operating session, which should be in probably about a month or so. Thank you for watching.